In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an order form in Google Sites. We'll start by creating the form itself in Google Forms, and then we'll place that form directly onto your Google site so visitors can fill it out easily. This is a simple way to collect orders, product requests, or basic customer information without needing any advanced tools. First, go to Google Forms. Once you're there, look for the template gallery. This is helpful because instead of building everything from scratch, Google gives you ready-made layouts for common use cases. Open the template gallery and then select Order Form. This template gives you a strong starting point, especially if you want to collect item selections, quantities, and customer details in a clean and organized format. After the order form opens, edit it as needed. You can keep the default structure if it already works for you, or customize the questions so they match the products or services you want to offer. This is the part where you make sure the form fits your business or project. For example, you may want to adjust item names, add instructions, or make certain fields required so people submit complete information. When your form looks good, click Publish. Then, in the confirmation prompt, click Publish again. This makes the form ready to be used and shared. It's a good idea to quickly review everything before publishing so the final version is the one you want visitors to see. Next, switch over to your Google site. If a pop-up or dialog is open, click Cancel so you can get back to the main site editor. From there, go to the Insert options and scroll down until you find Forms. Click Forms to view the Google Forms available for embedding into your site. Once the list appears, choose the order form you just created. This connects your form to the page you're editing. After selecting it, click Insert. Your order form will now be added directly onto the Google site page. At this point, you can position the form where it fits best within your page layout. Make sure it's easy for visitors to find and use. A clean placement can make a big difference in how many people actually complete the form. And that's it. You've created an order form in Google Forms, published it, and inserted it into Google Sites. This setup is a practical and user-friendly way to accept orders online while keeping everything organized in Google's ecosystem.